Hello everyone, welcome back. This is volume 2 of the text reveal with a person that I did. I already done one. This one's a little bit different, so we'll call it part 2. I have the same media on a timeline, 8 seconds. We'll go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms, so we'll be up there in the way at times. Put the media in selected. Get a merge. Add a text node. The media will be in the description below if you want to follow along. Put your first text in. Set your size, tracking, your font, and all that now. Then go to layout. Take the Y value on the center. I'm going to raise it up into position. For now, we'll cut that. Select the merge 1, shift space, and tracker. We'll track him across the screen. I'm in the middle of the timeline, so I have to track both ways. It will show corrupted. Hit yes on this. And hit OK here. And then track backward. Now, if you end up with a really bad track at the beginning and the end, we want to clean that up. It's not real important with this because the mask will be there and he'll already be on or off the screen, but we'll start with a clean track. Go to spline. If all this is in your way down here, hit the little window that says shrink. Select these. Zoom to fit. Right here you can see where it's got a jog in it. That's where the bad tracks started, right here. We'll delete them. Right click on the box and delete. Now you'll see they're not up there anymore. If you hover over it, this has got a bad one here. Again, highlight it, right click on the box and delete. Still have at least one more. There we go. Click away right about here. And magic mask. Pipe your media in to the magic mask. We'll go ahead and put that in viewer. I like to select better. If your computer can do it, I suggest that. And I'm in the center of the timeline again, so I'll track both ways. This would take a few. I might pause it and come back. I'm going to clean the edges up a little bit. Go to the matte. Then a road dilate. Go to the left just a little bit. Get a merge. If you hover over it, when it turns yellow and blue, you can let go and it will connect. Put the media out back in the viewer. Connect our text. And now you'll see the text is behind the subject. Let's get a rectangle. Type it into the Merge 1 mask. Take the width all the way up. Take a subject just before the text. Right click on the center. Go to Connect to, Tracker Path 1, Position. And you'll see the mask lines up dead center of the tracking point. Go to the modifier. Rotate that to where the left edge is the center of him. Select the Merge 1 and get another merge. Click on the text, then right click on it, copy, click away right here, right click and paste. And change the text to your second text you want. Right click on the tracker, copy, click away right here, right click and paste. Click away again, hold the shift key down, and connect it. Get another rectangle. Type it into the Merge 3 mask. Select the rectangle. Take the width all the way up. Now you want to highlight both rectangles. Select the second one. Right click on the center. Connect to, Tracker 1/1, Position. And then go to the modifier. Rotate that one left to where they're both together like I have right now. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.